Guys, look at the quality of the animal. I'll show you a little bit of the animal here. The rump, the color. The quality of this animal baby is following us here today, guys, is the son of Arnold. We have videos on the channel about Arnold too. Ready, Renato, as soon as you want. Oh, let's start with the front hooves, guys. Let's show you the before and after here. Look, guys, the before, and a little while share the after with you. Let's record Renato here cutting his left hoof, his left front hoof, guys, one of the animals from Reginaldo Topa. We have several videos on the channel. I'm going to leave his Instagram, guys. Anyone interested in semis and foals, there is a little animal here, the son of these animals that we post on the channel. Just get in touch on Reginaldo's Instagram. Removing excess from the sole, removing excess from the sides. You have already removed the excess from the frog, guys. Oh, look, and to drain it, this is important because this drains the dirt and liquids. How long have you been hoofing, Renato, in your life? Well, who's talking to, well, I worked with my father. Well, hoofing, I worked with my father for about 18 years, then I started hoofing it around 15 years ago, more or less. You already have time of this in your life. You have been through enough hoofs, man. You already have an extensive experience with hooves. Here he is taking the angle. We will place the same angle of this left hoof with his right hoof. Well, this one is finished. Look, guys, the difference before and after the hoof of the left. And now let's move on the right hoof. Let's see if we can see. Right, Renato, can we change her in position, the angle of the sun here? I think it's better. You can turn her around, right? Bring her a little further back here. So we can try to get the light. That's it. It will be good. Now, let's move on to the right hoof, guys. Look how the animal is already giving way, guys. Just by getting close, the animal already gave up his hoof. Renato could be messing with his hoof. Look at this hoof here. An excess already, considered. Here too, right, Renato? Around 45-60 days without. It was the same day that the other one was hoofed, and that's it, folks. He's following the other animal that we hoofed. There is already video of him on the channel, guys. The same trimming time. So it's time for us to hoof the animal again. We will be showing it here. This frog looks like it's grown a little more, right? That's right, there's already a little more. And this hoof also has a slight difference from the other hoof, right? This is normal, right? This is a little broader, right? It's a slightly more upright, like shell as well. But the inside is still normal, it's still acceptable. Yeah, actually, they all have a little difference, right? We don't take it lightly, like that's right, nothing serious. Yeah, both of them have the same. That's right. A little oversized, but nothing that serious, guys. The excess of the hoof is really removed here so far, guys. Comparing the angle of the left hoof to the right, it had made a difference. I tried to correct it here. Then you equalize the angles. You equalize the angles, both. The left hoof and the right hoof already aligned with the same angle, guys, with the two already. The rear part is finished, so come forward now to send, to align the hoof. So this one is finished, guys. This one is pretty finished. Look at the before and after, the difference it has made to the animal's hoof. Both hoofs finished, both left and right. Now let's move to the back, guys. I'll show you what it's like. Now let's do some work on the back hooves, guys. Look at the animal. Guys, that's it. Subscribe to our channel if you're not yet subscribed yet. Share this video, leave a like. Leave the region in the comments where you are watching this video, guys. We like to know how far our video goes. Follow us on Facebook too. If you are not already following, follow us on Facebook. You are watching on Facebook, so follow us on YouTube. Subscribe to your YouTube channel. Everyone stays with God. Today we are here at Reginaldo Topa recording some more of his animals here, which are really great. People really like it. Reginaldo's Instagram will be here in the description.